If you're still finding hours manually putting ClickUp tasks one by one, you're wasting hours a week, and I'm here to show you a better way using ClickUp AI. So I used to spend hours, creating every single manual task in ClickUp one by one, description of the task, subtasks, checklists, until I find out there is a better way called ClickUp AI. So in ClickUp, let me show you how this works. So if you go to ClickUp, you're gonna see that at the top right, there is something called Ask AI. So here's the flow, here's the workflow that I use. There needs to be a single source of truth of what documentation needs to be. So there's a couple of ways to do it. I haven't found yet a way to automatically bring the information in. So there needs to be a quick manual step. But again, there needs to be a single source of truth. And I found out that the best way to obtain the to-do items that you need to do with a client is your onboarding call list, which is in the call transcript. So how do you obtain that? Let me show you. So I use Fathom for this, a tool called Fathom. So I have an example here of a client call where the transcript in Fathom tells me, what we're gonna do, the exact summary, the call transcript. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna copy the summary and I'm gonna ask ClickUp AI, based on this call summary, on the action items, please create me the to-do tasks and subtasks for this client. So I'm gonna paste this. So here's what I did. It created a cool one task and then a bunch of subtasks. However, I was not happy with this, so I'm giving the AI a feedback. Say, can you turn all of these into tasks and disregard the invoice sending, because I already sent the invoice. So let me see. Okay, finally, I see that there is still, let me refresh this and see how it looks. Okay, so I'm seeing one thing that I don't like, that there is still a task with a bunch of subtasks. So I'm gonna ask the ClickUp brain, the ClickUp AI here, the following. I'm going to show you what I'm going to ask. So there's still one singular task with 12 subtasks. Delete that, please. Keep the other open 12 tasks. So instead of we manually doing the work of rearranging the schedules, arranging the tasks and subtasks, the ClickUp AI, which they call it ClickUp Brain, is doing that for us. So again, it should take, a couple of minutes. So here's what happened. Okay, this task was marked as complete and we are leaving with all of the rest. So I'm going to delete this task because I don't want to have anything to do with this. So this is deleted, and now I have all the tasks that need to be done for the client, including the description. So when I go inside and ClickUp, I can see here, what do I need to do? And it's going to tell me in the call summary in Fathom where to go. For example, include soap notes template. That's a task that we have to do for this client. Okay, it's going to tell us, it's going to tell in my team what to do. So my team can just go in and then execute the tasks. Now that part has to be done manually. But in another video, I can cover how to synchronize your ClickUp tasks with your high-level pipeline so that your team and your clients can be informed when things are done. That's going to be a topic for a separate task. If you like this type of stuff that we're covering, I have a community where we do 2 calls a week. We cover topics like this. We do live build-outs. We do support so you can bring your own screen. I can take remote control of your screen and we can then work together. These are typically very small group calls, no more than 10 people. And we do those twice a week. And on top of that, when you sign up with under my affiliate link in high level at the unlimited plan or above, you get all this community for free at no additional cost, and my 30 plus hours of automation courses, which are going to take you and your team access up to 3 people on how to become automation experts, becoming automation experts. If that's something that interests you, check the link in the description and sign up.